We are recording live. It is August 7th, 9:25 a.m., and we're in the heat of a beatdown. I am currently getting cookie jarred by two trades that I'm in. So I wanted to record it as it's happening just to see if I can handle the smoke. Can you take the smoke? If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Let's see how far down we are. Currently, ES trading at 63.79. And I'm down 47, $4,500 bills. I've got six contracts at 63.93. It's got a little trigger happy. I thought 6,400 was going to be some nice support. And now I'll show you on the chart what I'm looking at. We do have one trade in the books today, and it was a quick trade this morning right before the unemployment numbers came out. Then I got stopped out pretty quick. I didn't want it to get too crazy, but I did end up pocketing $459 bills. So that's bad trade number one. But immediately it's going to turn good, right, Bart? Yes. And then silver. What is silver doing? Oh boy. Bad trade number two. So I've got four contracts at 38,415, currently down $1,200. So after those big moves, you decided to still go long? Yeah, I did. So let's take a look at the charts. Okay, so so did you see this yesterday or I put this on after? I think I had this in the video yesterday. My plan that I was looking for today and tomorrow, well, we got all of it, but it was overnight. So I was like, hey, a little rambunctious. I'm like, and I didn't have a trade, so I missed that whole move that I thought was coming. I thought you were going to plan your trade and trade your plan. Yeah, I'm trying at the moment. So here is the current plan. Don't go under 63.76. That's the current plan. I'm hoping we're going to hold right here, right there, which was resistance. I think now is hoping to be support. And then I still think today we have action that'll push it north of 6,400. So still thinking about where I want to put my stop. It's probably going to, this is, making the same mistake over and over again. I was doing so well, not letting trades get out of hand on the downside. But again, when you have such bias, which I have right now, then you talk yourself into, well, let's just hold on a little longer. Maybe this trade will turn around. Maybe it'll turn around before our eyes. Before our eyes, turn around trade. How low did we go on that wick? 38,330. I think we're setting up for another move north here on silver. The banksters, the fraudsters are going to try to do their best to suppress it, but they're losing it, aren't they? They're losing the current battle. They are losing, and I hope that continues. If we can get some short covering, then this thing is going to 40. We're going to 40. Gold, chopping around. I'd be interested to go long back here, 34, 37-ish, where the green line is. Bitcoin, it did what we talked about yesterday. I put the two lines in, and I gave you my thought, which was we're going to bust through 117 up to 117, and we're now at 116,885, but we got as high as 117,370. I think it's going to, unless there's some crazy bad news, I think it's going to just do a little consolidation here and then continue going north. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm looking at there. Whew, what a scary looking candle, but maybe we're going to shake out some weak hands. Are they your weak hands? Maybe trap some shorts. That'd be nice, so we can get a little squeeze back into the money. So, hey, head back up there. 63, 81, 25, 75, 82. Sound like an auctioneer. Yeah, let's get up to the next. Let's regain this 63.85. Make that, get through that resistance, maybe do a little consolidation, and then whoop, take off. What do you say, eh? For all my Canadian friends, what do you say, eh? That would be very nice. So that is what I'm working with right now. I need the silver. Yeah. I've had this on for weeks, as you know, and that is what I'm trying to trade right now. This move. And to confirm, we got to get up and challenge the all-time highs, or I should say, the recent all-time highs. Still haven't made it up to where it was in 1980 when was it the Hunt brothers had a corner on the silver market and that thing went up to $50 in 1980. Hello. So still looking for this move up to here, which would be a nice trade. All right, that's what I've got right here and right now. Whoa, is that your stomach? Yeah, maybe you should eat. Yeah, soon. Okay, we're only down 300 in silver at the moment. And then what are we down in ES? Still going to be a big number. $4,800 bills. I'm not going to add any more contracts. That's what you keep telling yourself. That's where we're at right now. Hopefully, I'll be back with a glowing second video follow up to count all the dollar bills. So good luck out there today, and I will see you in the next video.